going to show you how to factory reset the Amazfit GTS 3. So first thing is go to your clock face, and then we're going to go to settings. From the clock face, we want to slide down, and then we want to look for the gear icon, the settings icon. Okay, if it's not on here, swipe to the right or swipe to the left. Okay, so I see my settings icon right there. Let me tap on that. And then from here, we're going to scroll all the way down to the very bottom where it says System. Next, let's tap on System. And then from here, scroll all the way down again till you see Factory Reset. Let's tap on Factory Reset right there. And it says Factory Reset will clear all the data and you will need to rebind it before it can be used. Rebind it basically means you have to repair it and set it up again to your phone or tablet or whatnot. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on the check mark right here. And this is only going to take 10 seconds now. Okay, so it just vibrated. It's booting back up. So I'll let this boot back up, and then we'll be in the very beginning setup process where you have to choose your language or whatnot. But also, if you plan, you can go ahead and sell it. You can go ahead and set it up again on the same phone or a different phone. The thing is, if you're going to set it up, you can see that the language is on here. The thing is, if you're going to set this up on the same phone again, what you have to do is, first thing is go ahead and open up your Zep app. Open up the Zep app. And then from here, bottom right hand side says Profile. Tap on Profile. Now under My Devices, it's still going to say Amazfit GTS 3. So if I wanted to go ahead and set it up or bind it or pair it to this phone again, what I have to do is tap on here. It's just connecting, but it's not going to connect. So what I'm going to do is I have to unpair this now. So I'm going to tap on Amaze GTS 3. And then I'm just going to go ahead and slide or scroll all the way down to the very bottom. It says Unpair. Okay, tap on Unpair. And I'm going to tap on Unpair here again. And then watch isn't connected. Unsync may be lost. Continue anyway. Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on Unpair. And there you go. So if I want to set up the same phone, now you don't see the GTS 3 here anymore. Now I can just go back up to here and click on Add and go through that whole process. All right. Good luck, guys.